we going, Sophia?
To church.
What is it called? What are we doing? It's called
Halloween.
Halloween. Are you ready?
Are we going to leave out of that door?
Yes.
Are y'all ready?
I am. Let's go.
I'm so ready. Let's church.
Did you have fun?
So fun.
Can't see you. Oh, there we are. Can you? Did you have fun?
So much fun.
How much candy did you get?
A lot.
Let me see. So we made it back home, Sophia, right?
Yes, we did. Yes.
And you got a lot of candy.
Yeah.
Let me show it to the camera. Yeah, and in that bag there's a lot more, right? And where, do you know where the festival was? The Halloween? Do you know where it was?
At church.
At our church. Yeah. So if you want to check out our church, it's Putnam City Baptist Church or pcbc.tv, I believe it is.
.com.
No, not .tv.
.com.
pcbc.tv. We'll put it on the screen. That's a hard one to say for German.
Oh, this yummy chocolate
Yeah.
here.
So you want to say bye?
Bye, people. Bye. Bye.